First off, you're going to want to make sure you add a binder to your ribs. We're using yellow mustard here. And for our rub, we've got Adam's Rib Rub. And you're going to want to hit all the sides. And just for a little extra flavor, we're hitting these with some cracked black pepper. And these are looking great. We're putting them on our smoker at 250 for 3 hours. And then they're going to continue at 250, getting spritzed every hour on the hour. We've got 1/3 cup of vinegar to 2/3 cup water. And just make sure you're hitting all sides of this as possible. While that's cooking, we're going to go ahead and start prepping our chicken. We're going to dry them off first before tossing them in our Ziploc bag. We're going to hit these with a mixture of baking powder and Adam's Rib Rub. And don't forget to shake them. We've pulled the ribs, and it's now time to wrap them. In the meantime, be sure to throw your chicken in the smoker at 250 for the first 30 minutes. And let these beef ribs rest for an hour to 2 hours. At the 30-minute mark, we're going to flip the chicken wings over and crank up the heat to 400. Going to pull these at a temperature of 175. Let's unwrap those beef ribs. Chicken's been pulled now, and wow, is this a feast. Thanks for watching.